Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Netflix tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply watch movies or shows on Netflix with your PC or computer. Let me show you how. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and close this tab right here. I want to make sure to create a new tab. And the next thing we want to do is to come to the address bar right here. Go ahead and type in Netflix and hit enter. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here, just like so, and it's going to take you right here. Before you can watch any movies or shows on Netflix, you want to make sure you log into your Netflix account. And if you have not created a free account with Netflix, you can use this medium to create an account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in right here. And then once you click on sign in, go ahead and make sure you enter the phone number or the email address to your Netflix account. I'm going to enter my email address right here. Once you enter your email address right here, go ahead and click on continue. And the login code is going to be sent to your mail. Go ahead and visit your mail. And right here in my mail, I have the code right here. So this is the code I'm going to highlight, copy the code. I'll come back to Netflix right here and paste the code right here. And the account is going to be opened successful right here. So you have details about your account right here. You have your watch history. You have your profile, as the case may be. You can navigate to shows right here, and then you see all available shows. You can also navigate to movies right here. You see all available movies, as the case may be. However, if you want to watch anything from any of the results right here, so let's say for instance, I want to watch this particular movie right here, I will just go ahead and click on play button right here, and then allow you to load up. Boom, and you start watching. So back right here and check on different kind of movies. I'll come back to the home page right here. So from the home page right here, you can see a lot of watch history right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all your watch history. I'm going to go ahead and select on this, and I'll play this particular video right here, just like so. Then you can start watching your video, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Netflix on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.